Besties, look what we got, girl. So, girl, if you did not know, girl, Trader Joe's got this enchanted jangle, like, trail mix. It says a magical mix of king treat. What caught my attention was, like, the, like, pretty packaging, like, the unicorn and the pretzels. Y'all know I love good pretzels, like, a little salty and sweetness, besties. So, let's try this out. So, it has pink, orange swirl, confetti chip, strawberry yogurt, which I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that because y'all know I cannot stand yogurt. And then they got this milk chocolate covered pretzel and a salted waffle pretzel and a lemony yogurt covered animal crackers. So, I'm enough talking, bestie. Let's try it. So we're gonna get a pretzel and we're gonna get the pink and orange confetti chip if it's down here. No, we're gonna try the milk chocolate thingy. Okay, that's good. And the salty, like the salty and like the sweet is like so good. This is good, girl. I can give this a 9.5 out of a 10. And I say a half because I don't like the yogurt thingies, but like the chocolate and the pretzel, so good, basically. But girl, comment below, girl, if you are gonna try the new Trader Joe's like trail mix, basically. Until next time.